Don't put that in the video. With Stryker Boats, and we are all packed up and just about to head out on our 2025 moose hunt. So set up with us this year is the Stryker Jet RIB Tunnel. So this is a new model. It's not available on a large scale yet, but we are fine tuning this and it will be out very soon. So you can see we've done very thick full UHMW bottom of the hull that was done at high caliber, TPU on the tubes, and we're going to walk you through this boat out on the water. We're going to run some numbers, run some performance. We're going to be running this for the next 10 days. This year we got the truck and camper set up. I wanted to bring the quad. You know, when we've just spent the last week or 2 weeks on the water and mix, and we really enjoyed having some days on the water, some days riding. So I haven't done this exact setup yet going out on a hunt. So, and then of course we pack the boat full of gear. So this is all our gear, and then I put netting and then I strap everything down internally as well. So we have about a 8 to 10 hour drive today, and we'll drive a few, maybe 10K, and I'll stop, check everything, and you guys follow us along on this adventure. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So we're just going to set up our jet boat for this hunt. So a lot of people prefer to sit on the starboard. That's the right side of the boat. Now I prefer, due to various amounts of reasons, mainly is I broke my wrist a bunch of years ago. So I kind of had to learn to run the boat with my other hand. And to be perfectly honest, it feels more natural now. Like now when I sit on the starboard side, it feels very odd. I'm very comfortable sitting on, so Dennis had tested this boat before me. I haven't run it yet, so what I'm gonna do is just change it up for how I like the boat. So I'm gonna move the battery around. Now this is something new that I've never tried, and this is, see how this works, this is a suspension seat. And what we did is we put it on a base, so it's all movable. And you kind of tuck it up under the tube, and we'll see. I'm excited to try it. Oh, I like that. Could be a hair farm. Oh, that feels really good. Must have been some kids making that. Beach house. Waterfront. Yeah, they got a lot of fun. Got a window.
Get in there.
In between the sandbar.
Yeah.
And that.
Well, we got Moose Camp day 3, just back for some lunch and prepping some dinner for the boys. We have Ange making some leftover brisket chili. We are gonna throw this on the smoker just before we leave for tonight's hunt, and yeah, we're gonna have a nice meal when we get back. Came back, I did a nice little cold plunge in the lake, which was fun, and Callie is resting peacefully. Hey Callie, you like your cold plunge with Dad and Mom? Yeah, good girl.
This is a lot of vegetables for my garden.
The over the top part, and over the top chili. Look at that. So, we don't have the perfect rack for this, but it will actually work out quite nicely. Dang.
The best one, all the little ones. There's one in there.
That one or this one or this one?
Yeah.
What a beautiful day out here.
So we've been out here since Sunday, and this is the first nice day we've had. It's been torrential downpour.
this is the 2025 Stryker Jet RIB Tunnel. Great little boat. We went really thick on the UHMW on this one. So as soon as we did that, we cut the speed by about 7 miles an hour. We're still getting 35 kilometers an hour. It does like to have the weight centered for sure. But yeah, it's been really good performance with 2 to 3 people and a very, very heavy duty hull platform. So yesterday was a very successful day for our group. And a buddy of mine who's been out with us quite a few times and really looking forward to getting one made it happen. And here's the result. These Hutto game bags are really nice. Very, very nice. Super good bull for this area, specifically, I should say. Check it out over here. Good bull for where we are. It was a beauty.